Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our project title is Visualizing Rank Time Series of Wikipedia Top Viewed Pages. Next we are going to discuss about our abstract. The World Wide Web serves as a major source of getting such information. Due to the changing nature of web, plenty of web pages are deleted and added newly. So every time a search web using the search engine, data should be fresh and relevant. So retrieving from the efficient result, relevant and meaningful information from the large sources of information in very challenging job. So due to the large size of web corresponding to any query made by a user, number of pages are being retrieved so that the result should be ordered in a manner that most relevant web pages in our top of the list. In order to get most relevant pages at the top and reduce the problem. Here, page rank determines the importance of web pages based on link structure. Solves a complex system of score calculation. Page rank is a probability distribution used to represent the likelihood that a person randomly clicking on links will arrive at any particular page. Next we are going to discuss about our flow diagram. So this is our flow diagram. First of all we have to create a matrix. Here user will be enter the number of rows and column of the matrix. It will be generated automatically. Okay, the next process is square matrix. After creation of matrix, it will be generated as a square matrix. After that the format will be changed into statistical formation. Here the statistical formation we have to find out the rating of the web page. Here we have to use Facebook dataset in it, online dataset. Here we have to find out the rating of the web page. After calculating the rating, next we have to calculate our page rank algorithm process. Before page rank algorithm process, first of all we have to load our data set. Here we have to load social data set for finding the page rank system. So initially we have to find our data set and load the data set into database. After that we have to find the top rank. Here we have to find out the top rank based on the reviews section. So user will be come and click each and every time, click the most of the top pages will be selected here. So finally we have to view our output in the graphical format. So finally we have to run our output. So page ranking, when I click page ranking, it is our process. So just click home.java and give run file. Okay, page ranking algorithm implementation. So just click button and here we will give enter the row of the matrix. So I will give 5, click OK, and column of the matrix and 6. So I into J matrix, so 5, 6 are 30, totally 36 matters are generated dynamically, and click next button. So page ranking unstructured format. Here the matrix will be come in structured format. Okay, then click next button. So statistical formation. Here we have to find out the web page rating. Okay, then click statistical. So here we have to find out our rating of the web pages is based on the allocating matrix format, and click next button. So here we have to calculate our page rank process. So how page rank works, here we have to find out. So just click browse, choose our dataset, just click dataset, open, and dataset chosen will be completed, and then we have to find out of view our dataset. So here we have to use social media dataset. So each and every time what is the social data will be clicked for photo view or share or link anything. So the third process is load data. So now we have to load our dataset into database successfully. Then we have to go into our next process. So page ranking process. Here we have to calculate our page ranking. So the first name should be a domain name. The domain name should be anytime Facebook or YouTube or Instagram, installing whatever it may be. Here related reviews are there. So here the reviews are in unstructured format before allocating the matrix format and based on the ratings. Then click next process, just view button. So ranking calculated successfully. So top ranks are calculated successfully based on the review rating. Okay, then click next button. So now we have to see our output. Okay, this is our precision and F measure, recall, accuracy and efficient output based on the time minutes. So demo is completed. Thank you for watching this video.